Oh my god, look at this baby. Beautiful. Is this a dragonfly or is it a damselfly? Damselfly. How do you know the difference?
Dragonflies are fat. They're big.
And is there something about the way the wings fold as well?
Yeah, I think damselflies have their wings up on their back in the raised position, and then dragonflies, when they hover, they have them flat like that, spread flat.
Oh yes, of course. They can't fold their wings, the dragonflies. They always
land and do that.
Right, yes. Whereas this guy,
they fold them up like a butterfly, like
yes, that's right. Oh, that's interesting. Yes, the color in the shade actually with the phone is
stronger.
Yeah, somehow. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Hello. Oh, and it's the eyes. The eyes are... Come. Look at the color of the eyes. It's like brown bauble. Wow.
Did you film it?
Yes, you're filming, I think. Yeah. Is it filming? Yes, it's filming.
Do you have to touch the screen?
Beautiful brown eyes. Wow. Just dangling there. Wow. So pretty. So peaceful. Wow. Bye, beautiful. Bye.